Now there is an happy news for IT guys. IT Giant Infosys on Wednesday announced that it will roll out salary hikes and promotion across all the levels effectively from January 1. The company made the announcement while releasing quarter 2 financial year 21 report, in which it posted a net profit of 20.5%. The company CEO said that employee will get 100% variable pay along with a special incentive for Q2. Employees have been a critical part of our success. As a recognition of their stellar performance, we are giving 100% variable pay along with the special incentive for Q2. Additionally, we are rolling out salary increase and promotion across all the level effectively from January 1. According to the company statement, voluntary attrition of IT services in the second quarter declined to 7.8% as compared to 18.3% in the same period in the last financial year. The Bangalore-based currently has more than 2.4 lakh employees. The announcement of salary hike and promotion by Infosys came after week after its industry rival TCS announced that it will roll out salary hikes for its employees effectively October 1. The second biggest software firm, Infosys Limited, had posted a 20.5% hike in its net profit for the quarter ending September 30. The company's net profit climbed to rupees 4,845 crores from 4,019 crores a earlier year. Revenue roses to 24,570 crore from 22,629 crore in the quarter, with an operating margin at 25.4%. The digital services like cloud, data and analytics contribution to 47.3% Infosys quarter 2 financial year 21 revenues. So let me be frank friends, the attrition has gone down from 18.3% to 7.8% is only because of the corona situation, because people were highly they were not sure whether they will get a job if they switch from here or not. This has happened to even lot of MBA aspirants, lot of the aspirants who are living from this attrition rate, who are in this attrition thing are MBA and for switch, क्योंकि दूसरी companies कुछ employee ले नहीं रही थी, other companies have closed their hiring process, so what's the use of leaving this company? So after a year you will definitely find this 7.8% will rose once again to 20%. Right. Who does not love hike and all? If the other companies like small startups start inviting people, now they have closed their hiring. That is why people are not going. It is not that people have willingly stopped not going outside, right? That is the situation. Thank you. Have a nice day, friends.